Well, good afternoon. Good afternoon. We have a 2008 Ford Explorer, and it's got a 144,312 on the odometer, or the odometer, or the mileage tracker, whatever you guys want to call it. You see that orange glowing thing right there? That'd be the check engine light is on. Customer stated that the check engine light was on. And the codes I got out of it are a P0442 EVAP small leak, P0452 system pressure for the EVAP. And I did a little research, and first I'll show you what I did is just the basic checks of running everything and what I found, and then I looked for TSBs and all that good stuff. And so the first thing I did after verifying that the check engine light was on, walked around to the back of the vehicle and then to the passenger side, opened the fuel, and I immediately smell gas. If you look down in there, I don't know if you can see that very well. I can open that with my finger, and it's not closed all the way. There's supposed to be little locks inside there. And so I went back and got on the computer, and I found a customer satisfaction 13N01. If DTCs 0442, 0555, 0456, and or 457 are present, proceed to step 2. And step 2, vehicle in neutral, position it on a hoist. You're basically going to remove the spare tire. You're going to take these 3 bolts off of the fuel pipe, which is the door and cup bezel, and you're going to replace the whole filler deck and EVAP tube. So there's the EVAP tube, vapor tube, runs up inside here, that little flap inside there. When I was pushing it with my finger, that's what was wrong with it. It's leaking. It can't build up pressure. Not bad for 144,000 miles. So I think, if I'm not mistaken, part. Oh, and it needs an ABS control module. So yeah, the control module is back ordered till 9/2, and then the fuel fill pipe is 4 to 5 days out, and that's how much it is. So that will be your first thing to check. If you have an EVAP leak like that, go over there and stick your finger in it. And you're not supposed to be able to open it with your finger because there's 3 locks that the fuel nozzle push it open, and those locks are broken inside there. So I hope that helps you out. I appreciate it. Love you guys. See you on the next one.